They certainly are loud. This is Nancy today. This is part 3. Frank is setting up the dogs on the harnesses.
There's a teddy bear.
Teddy bear. Yeah, he's got them all lined up out there now. So she's got 2 on her? Oh, have they all got 2 on them?
Yep.
Oh, I see.
This is Wags.
Wags. Hi, Wags. I remember her. Are these all female dogs? These dogs really want to go.
Turn off for a while.